Hello everyone, I am Anjana. I am from Computer Science and Business System Department. My topic is medical drone. Medical drone have the potential to revolutionize healthcare by delivering the supplies to remote area quickly. They can help save lives in emergencies and provide access to medical resources. Medical drone are unmanned aerial vehicles that are specifically designed for medical purpose. They can transport medical supplies such as vaccine, medications, and emergency equipment to remote or hard to reach areas. These drones are equipped with GPS technology and can remotely operated program to fly autonomously. They have potential to significantly improve the healthcare access and delivery, especially in areas with limited infrastructure or during emergencies. Medical drones can help save lives by providing timely medical intervention and reducing the time it takes to deliver critical supplies. Medical drones have wide range of uses in healthcare. They can be used for delivering medical supplies to remote area, transporting organ or transportation, providing emergency medical assistance in distress areas, and even conducting medical screening in hard to reach location. These drones are efficient, fast, and can navigate the challenging terrains, making them valuable tool in improving the healthcare access and saving lives. The material required for medical drone. There are a drone frame, motor, propellers, a flight control, and payload compartment for medical supply. Thank you.